Hi guys, usually if someone calls you lazy, it is an insult. But in the world of big data, being lazy is actually a mark of genius. Today we are talking about lazy evaluation in Apache Spark, the secret sauce that makes it one of the fastest processing engines on the planet. At its core, lazy evaluation means Spark does not do anything until it absolutely has to. Imagine you are at a restaurant. If the chef has started cooking the moment you walked in the door, they'd be wasting ingredients before you even sat down. Instead, Spark waits. It sits there with a notepad, taking down your orders or commands one by one. It does not fire up the stove until you say, "Okay, I'm ready to eat." To understand this, we have to look at the Spark two main types of operations. One is transformations and others are actions. Transformations, these are your instructions. Think like a filter, map, or join. When you type this, Spark isn't actually moving data, it's just writing the recipe. Step 1, chop the onions. Step 2, set the streak. In the actions, they are the go signals. They're like count, collect, or save. The moment you call an action, Spark realizes, oh, they actually want the result now. That's when the kitchen springs to life. And you may even notice a term called DAG here. But in Spark, isn't just waiting around, it's planning. While you are giving it transformation, Spark is building a DAG or directed acyclic graph. Think of a DAG like a GPS navigation systems. If you enter 5 different viewpoints from point A to point B on a road trip, a smart GPS does not just tell you the start driving towards the first one immediately. It looks at the entire route first. It checks for the constructions, finds the fastest highways, calculates the most efficient path before you even put the car in drive mode. So, why go through all this trouble? Why not just execute line by line? It all comes down to the catalyst optimizer because Spark sees the whole plan before it starts. It can perform some incredible cheats to save time. If you are like predicate push down, if you are analyzing a billions of rows but only want the data from California, Spark pushes the filter to the very beginning. It won't even look at the other 49 states. Next, we have a column pruning. If your table has 100 columns, but you only need 2, Spark ignores the other 98 from the start. And task merging. Instead of reading the data, processing it, saving it, and reading it again, Spark merges multiple steps into one single pass. It's like going to grocery stores. An eager person drives to the store for milk, comes home, realizes they need eggs, and drives back again. A lazy Spark waits until the list is finished and makes one optimized trip. Finally, in conclusion, Spark is a lazy because it's efficient. It builds a blueprint, optimizes the route, and only executes when it's guaranteed to be the fastest version of the job. Thank you.